conducting rallies and public gatherings. The political party or the candidate should take prior permissions from the local police to maintain law and order. The next one, in prohibited areas, they should follow strict rules for the campaigning. And to use loudspeakers, they should take permission from the local police the day of polling. There are some rules and regulations should be followed by everyone on the day of polling. The polling staff make arrangements for the voters on the polling. And the political party leaders should cooperate with the polling staff for the smooth and peaceful polling. Third one is polling agents are issued identity cards which doesn't have any party symbol. Next one is before 48 hours the campaigning should be ended and there should not be any SMS or liquor. Neither the candidate nor the supporters should gather in large amount near the polling stations. And the next is there should not be any posters, flags, symbols, material and food in their camps. Court judgments. In the year of 2013, three major decisions are taken by the Supreme Court. The first one is Subramania Swamy's case. Supreme Court allowed the voters to verify their vote was cast correctly or not. Supreme Court introduced VVPAT, Voters Verified Paper Audit Trial, into the election system. And the second one is People Union of Civil Liberties case. Supreme Court allowed nota, none of the above, to vote against all candidates. It is the second case. And the third one is People Union of Civil Liberties case. Same case. Supreme Court stated candidates should declare their crime record, spouse, children's assets and liabilities, and education qualification to the election commission, ruling party at the time of elections. The ruling party may misuse the power, so the election commission has given some guidelines to the ruling party. They are follows. The ruling party should not misuse their power and bureaucracy, and the official visits and the party visits should not be mingled, and no government vehicles are allowed for the campaigning. And if there are more than 3 security vehicles used in the campaigning, so there should be given in the poll expenditure. After the election schedule is released, the poll expenditure will be came into force. No public property is used for the campaigning, and there should not be any advertisements without prior permission from the election commission. The ruling party should not give any grants, payments, new schemes, new projects and new promises after the schedule of election is released. Conduct of elections at various levels. At state level, there is an officer, Chief Electoral Officer. He assists the Election Commission of India. He is also appointed by the Election Commission of India. Generally, the senior most IAS are appointed as the Election Commission of India. This post has no constitutional status. To conduct the elections in the constituencies, the returning officer is appointed. Generally, the returning officer takes the nominations from the candidates and then he scrutinizes the nominations, and from the scrutinized nominations, he gives the final list of the candidates and he allots the symbols. Generally, party candidate is allotted the party symbol and the independent candidate is allotted other symbols. And their names are entered into EVM or printed on the ballot paper. The same procedure is followed in the parliament elections, assembly elections and local body elections. Voting mechanism. Generally, presiding officer and other polling officers are appointed for every polling booth. On the day of polling, the presiding officer and the other polling officers will do all the arrangements, and then the polling agents are also appointed from different parties to identify the voters, and then the voters are allowed to cast their vote, and an indelible ink is applied on the left forefinger to avoid double voting, and the voters are allowed to cast their vote by the way of EVM or ballot paper. When the ballot paper is used, they generally mark it by the swastik symbol. Completion of polling. After the completion of polling, the polling officers generally seal the EVM or ballot box in the presence of polling agents. After the sealing of the EVM or ballot box, they are brought to the counting centers. In the counting centers, they count the votes, and then after the counting of votes, the person who gets the highest majority of votes is declared as the elected. Types of elections. There are three types of elections. First one is general elections, midterm elections, and by-elections. General elections are the elections conducted the 5 years tenure for the state assembly and the parliament. And the midterm elections are the elections which are conducted before the 5-year tenure is completed, and it is conducted for the whole assembly or the whole parliament. And by-elections, these are the elections conducted for the one or more vacancies of the assembly or the parliament elections. And now nota. Nota is the freedom of expression. The full form of nota is none of the above. According to the Supreme Court 2013 case of People Union of Civil Liberties, nota is introduced. And firstly, the nota is used in 2013 elections in Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Mizoram and Chhattisgarh. Postal ballot is given to the polling staff who are engaged for the polling duties. The Election Commission of India gives the choice to the polling staff to cast their vote by the ballot paper.